Hello guys and welcome to Linx's Python Quickie. In this video we're gonna deal with file pointers. Yes, file pointers. Okay, so Python file pointers can be quite tricky. You're using a CSV to read a file? Okay, not a problem. Creating handles and displaying the contents of the file should work perfectly fine. Just for once, if you're gonna display the contents again, it goes crazy. That's because in Python, when you display the contents of the file once, the file pointer goes to the end of the file. You have to again bring it to the top, which I'll be showing it how to do it in this video. Let's get our hands dirty and brace yourself. Python code. So about the tools which I'm using using a Python 2.x, 2.7 to be specific, and Atom Editor, and my OS is Arch Linux, which I've done videos on it in the previously. So I've already created a test file called as test.csv, which contains 3 records spread across 7 fields, namely number, start, end, size, file system, names, flags, and it's actually a file on partitions. So okay, and apart from the CSV file, I've already saved a file as a .py, which is a Python file, and it's named as file pointer repos or whatever it is. It's for namesake. And okay, let's start. So I'm starting with import CSV, which is tells the compiler to import CSV package, and I'm defining the main function def main cool, and I'm gonna create a handle for the source file, which is a source underscore file open of you're going to open the file using that command test. And the file name is test.csv, and you're opening it in a read mode, which is RB, and again you're creating a handle for the you're going to create a handle for the source file handle, so it is like source handle, and it is open like it is associated with reader mode. And we're gonna define another function which is like named as a print underscore file, and we're gonna call it twice and display the contents of the file. Okay, so I'm going to read the contents of the file. That's for eigen range, which I'm going to call a function twice over here. That is like range returns you 0 and 1, so eigen 0 and 1, and I'm calling the function print of file, and I'm passing the source handle for it. And then I'm defining the print underscore file function, which will read the contents and it will display it, and source handle, I'm passing it as a parameter to it. And so in print underscore file for row and source handle, so like for row is like it takes an entire row, and in that row I'm going to further break it down into items, and I'm going to print it. So let's see if it works. And yeah, print percentages, it can also be used as a like it in reference to C, it can be used as a format specifier. And finally I'm going to define call the main function, which is essential for the execution of the program. And okay, let's check it now if it works. Okay, so here it goes. So I've positioned my terminal. So as I said, I'm using Arch Linux, so I positioned it in the directory where I have my files saved, and I'm gonna execute it using Python 2 space file name.py. Work. Oh shit. Okay. I made a mistake in here. Okay, so the mistake is in the main function I've defined file as a print file with a small p, whereas in the I called the function with a small p, whereas and when defining I've made it as a capital P. I want to correct it. It's not a big deal. I'm sorry about it. So let's okay, and let's execute it again, and yep, it works. But just check. So you are calling the function twice, but only the contents are displayed just once. So what goes wrong? As I said, once you read the entire file, the file pointer goes to the end of the file, and in order to make it usable again, you have to reposition to the top of the, which is like file.seek of 0,0 source file.seek of 0,0. Yeah, that's it. Let's see if it works. Yep, it works. Python can be tricky, and take care guys.